Hello again, everyone. This is Swanee, 817 Money, back in the kitchen again. But instead this time of a cooking video, I have a video of my blue pit here. Boss, say hi. Doing a couple of tricks. So let's get started. Come on, boss. Come on. Check out this one. Good boy. Sit. Yeah. Good boy. Okay. Hey, double hop hop. Double. No. Sit. Sit. Double hop hop. Double hop hop. Ah. No. Sit. Sit. Double hop hop. Come on. Double. There you go. Good boy. Okay. Double hop hop. Double hop hop. Come on. Okay. One more time. Come on. Do it for the camera. Come on. Double hop hop. Double hop hop. Come on. Sit. Double hop hop. Good boy. Good boy. Alright, we're out of here. Look at the camera, boss. Look at it. You see it? Wave to the camera. Wave to the camera. Look, wave to the camera. Look, it's over here. Wave to it. Say hi. You get the treat. Wave to the camera. Go hi. Go hi. Good boy. Okay. Shake. Okay, hold on. I ain't asked for that hand yet. Shake with this hand. No, this hand. There you go. Now shake with this hand. No, the other hand. That hand. No, this hand. Yeah, there you go. Good boy. Okay. High five. Good boy. Now high five with this hand. Good boy. Now high five with that hand. Good boy. Now high five with this hand. Good boy. Here you go. That's my good bossy boy. Bossy, lay down. Come on. Lay down. All the way. Tell the camera, good night, I'm going to sleep. There you go. Good boy. Shake, laying down. Shake. Good boy. Here you go. Shake with this hand laying down. Shake. Good boy. Tell the camera, say bye-bye, I'm going to sleep. Later. Hater. We're out.